So Omar Mossad, the #1 seed, taking on Golan, the #8 seed in this first semi-final.
Out.
Well, that was raw power there from Omar Mossad. He's so careful on that forehand volley, the Spaniard. He's done it again. Well, it's the longest rally we've had, isn't it, so far?
Well,
there's the unforced error. That's got to tell you something.
Just about to say, you've got to feel that the longer rallies will suit and fall into the hands of Golan.
It's a brilliant shot. It's a superb counter drop shot.
11-8, game to Golan. Golan leads 1 game to love.
Well, Mossad trying to step this up. See how far he's pushing on the tee line.
Decision.
That's got to be a let ball.
Yes, let. 6-5.
John, very easy to stop.
No.
Very easy to stop.
Shared interference there.
You told me before I look for the player.
No. I saw it as shared. I've given you the explanation. Continue. 6-5.
Well, I think that's a fair point from John Mazzarella.
6-5.
That's very well put again. John Mazzarella, as these referees always are, situated in the middle of the crowd.
Ball's just nicked out in the back.
Well, Golan's really entertaining here. Doesn't want to lose his concentration.
7-5.
Even a chuckle from John Mazzarella. Well, this is getting very nerve-wracking. Unbelievable.
That's the movement.
Unbelievable by Golan.
Joke movement from the Spanish player.
It is. Well, he's always had that ability. Now that he's playing the ball more often,
12-11.
it really suits his game.
It
does.
Really suits his game. The stopping and running into his opponent like he used to do a lot in the past, it just breaks play. It's much better for Golan when it's a continual rally. He's so fit and strong. So game ball once again.
Well, it could be a no-let. This is close.
Decision, Mossad. Video decision, Mossad.
Well, we're going to the video again. This is exactly the point when you would want to see the video decision used. It's a pivotal moment in the match. I think this is a good move from John Mazzarella to refer this.
Absolutely. It's quality. It's very well judged by him.
Big moment.
Well, that's what I mean. It's particularly at game balls. That
especially the difference between 1 love and 2 love. 1 all and 2 love.
No let.
Well,
13-11
the no let is being given. So Golan comes off in this first semi-final with a massive 2 games to love lead.
Down.
Couple of errors are creeping in to the Golan game.
Just wonder whether he's seeing that finishing line a bit too early.
Bit of edginess as well. He's not beaten Mossad for a long period of time.
Not up.
It's a brilliant shot. Quick attack from the Egyptian on the forehand side. So 4 game balls in response.
10-6. Game
He's
ball.
fronted up unbelievably well.
Shows the character of the man.
Well, he's got that in abundance. That's awesome. So the crowd loving the fact that the Hammer and Thor has managed to take back a game here. Golan's really back in this at the business end of the 4th. 7-8. Very, very tense.
Wow.
Terrific width. There's the fist bump.
That is a big rally from Golan.
Video decision.
Oh,
Golan.
we're going to a video decision again.
So many video decisions, but
That's good though, isn't it?
It's
the right
it's very
times.
good. There's no reason why not. To get the right decision at the end of the day, you've got the technology here, we've got the angles, all the different angles here. I don't think that's a let ball.
No,
He's
I
got to
agree.
go through and play that. Mossad has hit a really good shot here. He hasn't done anything wrong there, Mossad. That's not a let ball. That will stay. Well, sorry, I guess I'd say it stay. The decision's not being made.
No.
But I think that this will be a no let.
Well, Mossad's actually moving his way out of the way for
No let.
Golan to go through. Oh, here we go. See, it's like a pantomime.
Well, Mr. Golan, just settle down. That behaviour is not appropriate. Just settle down. Just settle down. Okay. Hand out 10-9 game ball.
Well, you can't say this isn't entertaining. So game ball here for Omar Mossad. He's done it. Mossad has done it.
11-9. Game to Mossad.
Towering Egyptian.
2 games all.
He's pulled it back.
Mossad's racket went flying in the air.
I don't know where Golan's racket's gone. There it is.
Hostia.
7-4.
Well, I don't understand what Mossad's done wrong there. He's kicked his racket out of his hand. Mossad's just
He's not done anything wrong, has he?
walking around in a
7-4
slight
and continue, please.
confusion,
Please
and Golan
proceed,
is just
sir.
walking around like
7-4.
a maniac, really. It's amazing how he's able to keep his concentration so well, the Egyptian.
Oh,
Now that's got to be a conduct stroke, I've warned you. That is a conduct stroke for persistently delaying play.
well, it was coming, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was coming.
Well, there is a bit of a movement here from
Golan.
Mossad.
No let.
There is a slight movement from Mossad here towards the central position.
Hand out. 10-5.
Yeah, there's a
Match
little bit of
ball.
a hip movement there on that leg.
Well, he's come towards the short line with it.
But it's 5 match balls in a very scrappy semi-final, really. Close to 60 decisions in total.
Down.
And there's the unforced error. Omar Mossad comes back.
11-5.
2 games to love down. Shows great mental strength.
3 games to 2. 8,
The hammer of
11,
Thor
11,
does it again.
11-6.
So what a marathon, just short of 100 minutes. Omar Mossad coming back 8-11, 11-13, 11-6, 11-9, 11-5. 3 games to 2.